Hello friends, welcome to my channel Triad Studio. In this video, I am going to unbox and review Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera. The Sony ZV-1 is a 20 megapixel compact camera geared towards vlogging. My brother is a food blogger and he has purchased this camera from Amazon for 58,000 rupees. I think it is way too expensive, although it offers some exciting features and there is a hype among content creators regarding this camera. That's why its price is too high and we have purchased the camera only without the grip.
Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates.
So this is the box. The box is pretty small because this is a mirrorless camera, and at first let's take a look from all the sides of the box. On the top side, we can see that the product has 2 years of warranty and we will get a 64 gigabyte of memory card inside. Now let's have a look at the features of this camera. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It comes with 20.1 megapixel Type 1 CMOS sensor. It has 2470 mm equivalent focal length with f1.8 to 2.8. It has face detection and 315 autofocus point. It can track your eye for real-time eye focusing. Face appeal, I don't know what this is. It has a dedicated bokeh switch. That means if you want to defocus your background, you can do that by a single click of a button. It has a directional 3 capsule microphone with windy screen, and also there is a microphone port to connect external microphones. On this side, we have some barcodes. On this side, we have the top view of the camera, and here are the import informations. Month of import September 2020, and it's made in China. Now it's time to open the box and check the box contents. At first, let me break the seal. So the seal is broken, and now I'm going to open the box, and here I can see something accessories inside 28 September 2020. Okay. Oh, and this is the memory card. It's a 64 gigabyte memory card and it's a Sony memory card. Then we have some documentations. The yellow paper is the warranty card. It has 2 years of warranty and we'll get 2 service coupons. Let's put it aside, and there are some more documentations. Okay, enough of these documentations. I am excited to see the camera. And at first here I have the dead cat fur or windy skin. Then a data cable or charging cable. Micro USB in 2020. Oh no, that's disappointing. And here is a camera, and here is something. Oh, and this is the battery. The battery is too small. Let's check the capacity. It is a 1240 mAh X-type battery. Now let's take a look at the camera. It's lightweight, nearly 350 grams. And here is a camera. It has Sony Z-V1 lens. It is really small. It's pocketable and it looks like a point and shoot camera. So I'm going to take out the memory card right now. Memory card from Sony. Read speed 270 megabyte per second and write speed 70 megabyte per second. And here we have to insert the memory card. And here goes the memory card. You have to insert it like this. Okay. And then I'm going to connect the battery. The battery goes like this. And then you have to press it down and slide this button. We can rotate the screen like this. So that's the best advantage of this camera. And you have to open this to connect this. So this is how it goes here. This is like a DSLR hot shoe mount. So that's it. Friends, let's check the connectivity. Here we can connect external microphone. Then we have this micro USB port to connect it with the computer or charge it. And then we have HDMI port. This is a mini HDMI port to take the outputs to a different screen. So friends, right now I am shooting without the defocus mode. You can see my background is clear and I am not blurred out from the background. And right now I am recording the audio directly through its internal mic, so you will have an idea about the audio quality also. Now let's turn on the defocus mode. Friends, now I have turned on the defocus mode and now you can see that the background is blurred out and this blurred effect is quite natural. And one thing that I liked about this camera is the autofocus. Its autofocus is awesome. And my brother purchased this camera only because of its autofocus features, because he is a food blogger and for food blogging continuous autofocus is mandatory. And friends, another great feature about this camera is that it has a built-in ND filter. ND filter is like a sunglass for your camera. And right now I am recording with the ND filter on. And now let me turn off the ND filter and you can see the results. Sunlight is directly falling on my face and here you can see I am shooting without the ND filter and everything is just washed out. And friends, another amazing feature of this camera is product showcase feature. And if I place something in front of the lens, it will focus on it instantly. Again, test again. You can see. So this is an amazing option for the YouTubers who are interested in making unboxing and review videos. And friends, this camera has optical zoom. It also has digital zoom, but I have disabled the digital zoom because with digital zoom the image quality will get reduced. And let me test. Right now I am not zoomed in, but if I zoom in, there you can see, and the zooming is really smooth. It like that you are panning forward. And if I zoom out, here you can see again. Here you can see there is no noise in the lens movement. So these are the features, but one disadvantage of this camera is its battery. The battery will only last for 40 minutes of continuous recording, but you can use a power bank to continuously feed the camera with power. Friends, right now I am shooting in indoor condition and there is only one tube light turned on in my room and I have connected the external mic. So I hope with this clip you would be able to understand the sound clarity with an external mic. So friends, this was my review. Overall, this is a great package, but I think it's too expensive. If you are a content creator or YouTuber, in that case this might be helpful to you. But one thing that I disliked most about this camera is that it comes with a fixed lens. You can't change the lens and you won't be able to add extra filter or protective cover in front of the lens. That's a negative for me. And overall, it's a great package. It comes in a small form factor. You can easily carry it in your pocket. Another flaw in the design of this camera is the placement of this mounting hook. When you are mounting this camera in a tripod, you won't be able to remove the battery without removing the camera from the tripod. So this is a design flaw of this camera. Apart from that, this is a great camera. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.